Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with today's tutorial. Introducing the stationery is the Staedtler pencil, Dome's eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. And the colors, I'll be using the Faber-Castell pencil colors to color my drawing, and also I'll be using some shades of the Staedtler Luna pencils for my drawing today. So today I am going to draw a girl at the beach. So starting with the basic drawing first, with the pencil line making the divisions, dividing the paper into two parts with the sleeping line. Now making a circle for the face of the girl. Adding two standing lines for the neck, a curve for the costume, and adding the sleeping line for the shoulder and slanting line for the arm. Now making a curve for the pool tube. Now here I am making a unicorn tube, so just adding a circle there for the face and slanting line for the neck. Now adding few more curves there for the width of the pool tube. So just look at the lines carefully, it will be very easy to do. Now I am just outlining my drawing with the pen. So starting with the ear, curve of the ear. Now making the hair. Just look at the lines carefully, they are just the curved lines and the zigzag lines for the hair. Now giving the detail of the face around the circle. Now here I am adding a ribbon on the girl's hair. So just look at the lines carefully. Now with the pencil I am making a sleeping line for the eye to make sure that both the eyes are at the same level. Making a circle, another circle, and two curves for the eyebrows, and then two more curves inside the circle for the eyeball, one smaller curve for the nose, and a sleeping line and a curve for the mouth. Now just outlining the neckline, the shoulder line. These are the same pencil lines that I have drawn before. Adding the curve for the costume, slanting line for the arm, one more slanting line, a shoulder line, and then making a curved line, then two more slanting lines for the other arm, and a smaller two more slanting lines. Now making a curve for the hair. Just look at the lines carefully, it will be very easy for you to draw. Now making a slanting line and then making zigzags on the sides for the hair. These lines can be uneven. Now I am completing the first arm. So the first line is slanting, the lower one is little curved. Now making the hand two curved lines and then the fingers in the center. Now just outlining the tube on the pencil lines. Now adding the ears of the unicorn here, then the horn. It's just like a triangle, and then adding the slanting lines inside it, the other ear. Now making a slanting line here and then a curve in the front. Now adding one eye here. Just look at the lines carefully, it will be easy for you to draw. Now just outlining the pencil lines that I have drawn before. Now just giving some designs at the bottom of the tube. So now we are just making a curve below that. And now we are adding some divisions in the pool tube. So you can add any other design if you want. Just adding a tail, just adding few more details there. Now adding the water line Just making a sea here. So I have drawn a girl on the side of the beach, making the water waves. Adding few more lines in the water. Now just doubling the water waves. Now the lower part is the sand, and I'm just adding few clouds. They are just the curves. And a sun in the sky. So if you want to add any other elements, some other drawings, you can add there. So here we are done with the basic drawing with the outline. I hope you found it very easy and will be able to draw it. Now we are just erasing the pencil lines, as most of the lines were only for our help and they were not the final lines that we were supposed to outline. The links for all the products that I am using in my video are available in the description. You can check them there. I am starting with the coloring. So doing the light blue in the sky. The points that you need to remember while coloring is that we have to color it in sleeping lines and do not have to leave any spaces in between. And we have to color it in one direction to get the smoothness in our coloring. Now adding a curve of the costume, which I forgot to do earlier, and a standing line. Now I'll be doing the skin color in the face. Again, I'm using the Staedtler Luna pencils here. The links are provided in the description. You have to color it in one direction, be it standing. If you start in the standing lines, you have to do it in standing lines, and if you're starting with doing it into sleeping lines, then you just have to do it in the sleeping lines. We are not changing the direction. Whichever direction we start with, we'll finish it in the same one. So after this, I'll be coloring the tube. So here I'm going to do light pink and dark pink in the tube, and it's a unicorn, so I am going to add more of the girl colors. Now I am doing a purple color in the costume. So if you want to do the same colors, you can do the same colors. If you want to do something else, you can do some other colors as per your choice. So like I said before, now I'll be coloring the pool tube. So here I am doing a light pink color and the dark pink color. So just see, I'm doing the coloring in one direction and not leaving any white spaces. I hope you're enjoying the coloring process. Now I am adding a light green color at the base of the tube. You can do the same colors or you can do different colors as per your choice. I hope you're enjoying the video and this is going to be very helpful to you whenever you want to make the similar drawing. Do like and subscribe to my channel for the daily drawing tutorials. And also you can let me know in the comment section if you want me to draw anything specific. Any of the drawing that you are not able to draw, you can just post me in the comments. I'll upload the tutorial for the same. I have just done the black color in the hair, yellow in the sun. I am not coloring the clouds. It's up to us. If you want to color the clouds, you can, but I prefer to color either the clouds or the sky. Now I am doing a darker blue color in the water. Again doing it in one direction and not leaving any spaces in between to get the smoothness in my coloring. The links for all these products are available in the description. You can check them there. Do like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for the regular notifications. Now after this I am doing the light brown color in the sand. Again just doing it in one direction, not changing the direction and not leaving any spaces to get the smoothness in my coloring. Adding the light blue color for the water wave. So we are almost done with our drawing. Do let me know about this video, share your views, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.